What's going on, everybody? It's time to go back to the house today. Intro. Ripping my school. I heard they're going to change the name to the University of Caitlin Clark. Very fitting. Anyways, getting ready to go to the trucks, load them up, and go back to the house. So, yeah, shout out to my Hawkeyes. Caitlin Clark is the greatest women's basketball player of all time. I understand that. Came outside, they brought my stuff there, and they ain't want to load the car up for me. I see how it is. Y'all ain't want to load my car up for me. I'm thinking y'all was gonna take care of it for me. See how they do me? YouTube. Everybody else's car loaded but mine. I know that sounds crazy, but you feel me? You get the gist of it. Start her up. Then go back to the house, man. Throw that over there real quick. Ah! Just fell. Yikes. It's too cold out here for all that, man. Dad gonna curse me out when I get over here. Watch. Don't be making all that. Watch. It's all good though. Why are you doing all that nonsense? coming back there with you guys.
No.
Put it right there.
Come on, man. Just a little stuff.
Wait, set it right here. Will you be up here?
Please.
Put it right there. No, it's not a little stuff.
It's just two little bags. Of course.
Well, then this suitcase
Of
can go in
course. I already need this one. Flat like that, just like that, we good. Okay.
Put on top.
Might need this one. Might need this one, gangster.
Yeah, my cases there?
Hell no.
You wasn't on the side of the bed.
At a time of use, though, we can't get copyrighted. Yeah. Gotta get loaded up, load the cars up, and try to step back to the home. Let it build up. We got stand over here. Gotta load the cars up. Look at this. Look at that pretty ride sitting up here. Yeah. Get ready to go back to the house. Like I said, I heard the University of Iowa is going to change. That's my alma mater. They're changing the name to the University of Caitlin Clark. They're coming. Had a great weekend. Now let's get back to the house. I got to get to the house, get loaded, get going. Back at work. Back to work. Got to go back down to Dallas. Come on. Got it. First place. Furniture combo paint and graphics. Honored. Thank you so much. Pretty grateful. A lot of hard work. Shout out to Midnight Shine. My guy Austin, Kobe. Without them, I wouldn't have this. They did a phenomenal job polishing the trucks. Not only mine, but my dad's as well. Polished and cleaned them up piano right. This is for them. Midnight Shine. For all your polishing needs, detailing, all that. Midnight Shine. I will forever promote them and advertise them because of their phenomenal work, great customer service, great guys. Establish a friendship with them that'll last a lifetime. Midnight Shine, for sure, this is you guys. Midnight Shine one is for me. Yeah, so appreciate you guys for that. Big shout out. Get y'all. Let's load them up. That's good?
Yeah.
Talking about getting old. Push this stuff. Right. Huh? Right.
You've been freeloaded all weekend.
Floyd! Now he want to run off. Yeah, all right. Hey, put the camera down and help us for a second, boy.
He said he not on duty.
Not on duty.
Not on duty.
Not on duty. Nah, don't do
I
that.
thought y'all had jumped this.
Yeah! They leaving. Y'all not gonna wait? Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
We want to help.
Put this nice little 2x4 right there. All right. Y'all watch me. If I mess up, that's on y'all.
No, that's from them. Cameraman.
Grab all your stuff out.
Yeah, you right. Open the door.
You hold this. Match was a success. Time to go ride. We gotta get back to the house and get loaded. Back to work, you hear me? Yeah. You grab this? Mari, grab this one. For me, please. If you don't mind, my good sir. Slow and steady.
You good. Yeah, I just one time leave out, I'm just
Hey, watch me on this side so I don't scrape the side.
Yeah. Good on this side. You good? Hey, hold on. You gonna stop it right now?
Yeah. One time real quick for fun.
What's up with it, man?
Drop all my phone chargers. Worst thing about this getting out of this thing.
Hey, man. Yeah, I see your car.
Where all the shirts at? Where you put them at? The back of the Escalade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go for
What's
something.
up? How you doing?
Shit.
Good?
Yeah, man. Can't complain. Get out the doctor, holding up partner.
Yeah.
How you doing, man? How much stuff?
That's Jay. We got the shirts in the back for you.
Yeah, all right.
All right. I'm gonna move and then let my dad park. Pull up really quick.
You gotta get the straps first. I'm going to wait on it. I don't know, man. I'm like, that's looking like I got no back to the
Oh, shit. I'll leave out tomorrow.
No, about step back 3 feet, Alameen way. Yeah. What did he say?
He said you gonna let y'all.
Out of trouble. Mark, let me get my keys. I don't know. I might just take a load down there. I ain't even gonna. Yeah. Whoa! Turn your wheel. You can get out.
more than them.
Come on, skinny man.
Tight on this side. Tight. Whoa. Putting chairs behind.
Yeah.
That boy was racing. That was funny as hell. He was camera. Bet you $100 I get down through there before you can. I bet. I've been a cold video too. Come around the track. Let's do the Lightning McQueen. Kentucky Derby.
Kentucky Derby is horses, my boy.
I mean, well, hey, what is same thing?
No, that ain't. It's one is horses, one is cars, my boy.
A horse is a car.
Mustang.
Yeah, I know. Same thing. Yeah, y'all know what the hell I was talking about. I just went with it. Yeah, he says,
Nah, because they would have ate you up in them comments. We gonna correct you now. Right. Yeah, they would.
What he say?
And then you would have had to get on a couple folks.
He should look that jig. What did he say? He
It's a NASCAR. Yeah, that's a track. They go over there. Go. My bad.
All is one, so it's gonna be a longer drop for you. We would have threw you in the back of the trailer. We would have threw you in the back of the trailer. It would have been good. Special delivery. Those trees over there, I got up on them. Right here on this little road. Smacked all the side of it. We can roll around, drop him off at the front gate.
Sure, man.
We got to go out that way anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dee Dirt Dobbler.
I had Pops had to get on the ponytail. So it's like, yeah, get on it. Get on it right quick.
Ready to ride? They go to B model. Yeah, that thing wicked. They say he leased on the IMT. They say he leased on the IMT. Beautiful ride. That thing is wicked. Probably. You know he spoke up some stuff. No, he was inside.
Oh, okay.
Inside don't get judged. He probably will. Imagine what's success. Let's get back to the house. We gotta get loaded. Step down. Time to ride. Yeah. One more door to close, and this mission is finally complete.
What happened?
I said, close these doors, and our mission is complete. Time to go home. Let's get pressed out. We all that reflection. We're not trying to get everything. Yeah, you can see me. Cabby over there, 3 Avenue steps.
Let's get one more me.
Oh yeah, we got to.
And Bryson.
Got to.
Get in the back of the wagon. Get in the back of
Should
the
have hold the trophy.
Video?
You want me to get it?
Yeah, go and get the trophy.
They say you want to potty, let's potty. Had so much fun down here. Saw a lot of great people. I knew met a lot of great people as well. That's always a great thing. Honored, still surreal. Won first place that match. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. He said throw up the four.
Go in the middle. Do a couple of them.
Couple of them. He said he got,
Oh, you got two?
he got to throw the four up, huh? Yes, sir. What did he say? Yes, sir.
Yes, number one, baby.
Yeah. Calling my phone. Hello. We loading these trucks up. I'll hit you right back. I'm for real. I'm gonna call you. Hold on.
Oh, no, tell me what to do.
You sure had a blindsided like that? Yeah. Uncle Pepper ain't even got the dumps on it and he's still swinging that thing. You hear me? He gonna blindside it. Alamine way. Yeah. He don't even got the dumps hooked up and he's swinging it.
He gonna do it.
I'll scoot over one. Cab over gonna do it to you. Oh yeah. I'll give you one soon. Double park. Double park. We don't need nobody parking next to us, just double parking. Watch them flaps. We don't park it like that. I'm sure my car didn't move, bro. This would be a pleasant surprise if it did. Gucci. We're good. We are still okay. Big rat. You see the cream side. This is a beautiful wagon. Uncle Agents. You want to see some side door action? Only regret, not getting the side door. Very convenient. Okay. All right. Said what?
You gonna move over or double park?
Nah, I'm gonna just let him park right there. Hey, grab that finger for him. The muff flap on the back. When he's backing up, just hold it up. said what? Tell them about the third lane. Back to the office, ladies and gentlemen. Finally go home, bro. I'm tired. Sit you right there. Unload this stuff, bag in. I gotta hit the road tomorrow. Change of plans. We're not going back to Dallas. We going to LA. Say hey. And I know plenty of people aren't gonna know what the real LA is. So I'll say it right now. It's not California. It's not California. We need to go back to class. Louisiana is LA. For those who pay attention to that lesson. Learn the 50 states. So if you stepping down there. Yeah. Unload this stuff. No hands. Bet you can't do that one. Yeah. We're gonna do this. I'll take all this stuff out and I can go to the house. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired, man. Excuse Excuse my random outburst, as I always say. These done for. They ain't really in bad shape. We can clean them up, put them back on something. They don't have to go to complete waste. You feel me?
Hey, you putting these back on? Or you doing something? Cause you came back pretty nice. I
don't know. That's that. We ain't go deliver no load. I might change them. I'm not finna change them now. I'm too tired for that.
Alright, so.
Long weekend, Mari. Long week, my boy.
Long weekend.
Yeah. Huh. What? Stop. Damn, that didn't go as planned. Silly rabbit. I do need to keep this broom in here, though. Check it out. Ah! I'm being productive today, ladies and gentlemen. Not the weights, bruh. I could have backed up a tad bit more. Keyword. Well, keywords, 2 words could have. But I did it, so whatever. See, they tore my signs up. I gotta put the new ones on. You gotta watch these warehouses. They will tear your stuff up and lie about doing it. But that's normal for these type of places. For those type of places. What happened?
I don't know where I sat my Waffle House.
You said what?
It was a bag. I had my Waffle House in it.
Sucks to suck, my boy. Sucks to suck. Lift. We didn't even put these new ones on. Good thing if I screw the ones on the wagon, bam! I'm putting in my dad's. I'm still taking on your heel. Anyway, toss down right there. Make sure this is leaning up so it don't hit me while I'm doing this. Use your muscles. Lift, walk, left, right, left, right, left, right. Nice and easy. Watch the 4s. I'm just kidding. Feel me? I'm tired. Brush it out, bruh. No. What'd you say? Oh. Do this, fill up, bag it in, we going to the house. No, I need a haircut, not even gonna lie. I was down bad at the show. Hold up. Hold on, cowboy. I need to get back in shape. Put them right there. Put the other one right here. Bam! I need a break. I need a nap. I need another vacation. I need something. Do you hear me? Filling up right now. Get this out the way so we can step out. When I get here tomorrow, all I gotta do is go. No fuel for this one.